If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip. The question we're working on today is, find the absolute minimum and absolute maximum values of the following function on the given interval. And the function is f of x equals the quantity 1 minus x over the quantity x squared plus 3x, and the interval is 1 to 4. So we want to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of the function f of x equals 1 minus x over x squared plus 3x on the interval 1 to 4. So what we're going to do is take the derivative. Now f is a quotient, so to take its derivative, we use the quotient rule. And it's important to simplify our derivative because eventually we're going to set it equal to 0 and also find when it doesn't exist. So when we simplify it, our numerator is x squared minus 2x minus 3, and our denominator is x squared plus 3x quantity squared. And now we're going to find when our derivative is equal to 0, which means that the numerator is equal to 0. Luckily for us, we could easily factor this. And we see that our numerator is 0 when x is negative 1 or 3. Now notice negative 1 is not in our interval, so we could throw it out. When our derivative doesn't exist, that means our denominator is equal to 0. So x squared plus 3x quantity squared equals 0. Well, that means either x equals 0 or x equals negative 3. And when you look at that, neither of them are in our interval either. So now we have to test our endpoints and test our critical numbers that are inside of our interval. Whatever's the largest is the max, whatever's the smallest is the min. So we have f of 1 is 0, f of 3 is negative 1/9, and f of 4 is negative 3/28. And using a calculator, we could see that 0 is the maximum value here, and negative 1/9 is the minimum. Make sure to subscribe for more Coffee and Math with Dr. Weselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.